In food processing, every second, every watt counts. Staying competitive today means more than having machines. It means having smart drive solutions. As a member of the KEB group, Brusatori Electric Motors has developed a tailored solution for SB Impianti, joining ideas, efforts and skills with KEB colleagues. The benefits speak for themselves. Mechanically, fewer components, reduced wear, faster installation. Electrically, significantly lower energy consumption, enabling smaller inverters and more compact control cabinets. And with liquid cooling integrated into the machine's existing system, no extra energy or resources are wasted. The result? A machine that operates at any speed, from production to cleaning, with pre-programmed precision. A system that saves both electrical and thermal energy, and a configuration that delivers measurable value. This solution redefines performance. A BT series torque motor paired with the COMBIVERT F6 drive, engineered for maximum efficiency and flexibility. A drive controller that combines frequency inverter and servo drive in one compact unit. With integrated safety functions, real-time communication and scalable cooling options, including liquid cooling, it's built for the demands of modern food processing. Our close collaboration with SB Impianti proves when engineering meets partnership, true innovation happens. Brusatori and KEB, driving the future of food processing.